The immortal mantra, Mahamrityunjay mantra. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityurmokshiyamamritat. Om is the sound of sacred spiritual symbol in the Indian religions. It signifies the essence of ultimate reality, consciousness, or Atman. In Hinduism, Om is one of the most important spiritual symbols. It refers to Atman, soul, self within, and Brahman, ultimate reality, entirety of the universe, truth, divine, supreme spirit, cosmic principle, knowledge. The syllable is often found at the beginning and the end of the chapters in the Vedas, the Upanishads, and the other Hindu texts. Trayambakam, three, Traya, try, three. Amba is mother, as in Jagdamba. Amba is also meaning I. The meaning of this word is of debate because some persons speak according to the sentence that it is mother and some say it is I. So it could be three-eyed or Trinity or Divine Mother or Tridevi. Yajamahe, Yajna, Yajna, sacrifice, devotion, worship, offering, refers in Hinduism to any ritual done in front of the sacred fire, often with the mantras. Yajna has been a Vedic tradition described in the layer of Vedic literature called Brahmanas, as well as Yajurveda. The tradition has evolved from the offering oblations and libations into the sacred fire to the symbolic offerings in the presence of sacred fire Agni. The word Yajna has its root in the Sanskrit yaj, to mean worship, adore, honor, river, and appears in the early Vedic literature composed in the 2nd millennium BC. Sugandhima, Sugandh means smell, good smell, fragrance, odor. Su means good, Gandh means smell, Ima means this. So this good smell. Itni achhi khushbu. Pushtivardhanam, the way our body gets healthy after eating and it increases day by day. Pushti means nourishment, Vardhanam means increase. So Pushtivardhanam. Urvarukamiva, in a similar way as cucumber grows through the threads and goes on growing, the cucumber fruit grows through the thread and goes on growing. Bandhanan, the bond between the thread and the cucumber, the bond between the life and the food or nourishment. Mrityormokshiya, Mrityormokshiya, liberate me from the death. Moksha, also called Vimoksha or Vimukti, and Mukti is a term in Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism for the various forms of emancipation, enlightenment, liberation, and release. In its soteriological and eschatological senses, it refers to freedom from samsara, the cycle of death and rebirth. In its epistemological and psychological senses, moksha is freedom from ignorance, self-realization, self-actualization, and self-knowledge. Moksha, in its basic definition, is the freedom from rebirths. Mamritat, give me the fruit or nectar, that is Amrit, and through the nectar give us immortality. It is Amrit is an elixir or substance that gives immortality to the user or one who drinks it. Dhanyavad.